Welcome to Mermaid Lagoon at Tokyo DisneySea. Today we're riding Flounders Flying Fish Coaster, a family-friendly coaster that zips and splashes through Ariel's colourful undersea world. It's quick, it's fun, and it's perfect if you love smooth thrills without big drops. Running since 2001 and with a top speed of 20 miles an hour, this one is definitely aimed at the kids and families. Let's ride! To see more of the world's most beautiful theme park, you can click that button at the bottom of the screen to subscribe to our channel. The other video YouTube has personally recommended that you watch next. We've been Troy and Asher from Coaster Couple, hoping you can join us for the ride. See you in the next video.